Hey knowledge lovers, today we're reviewing the Adobe Premiere Pro for Beginner Specialization, a practical pathway that takes you from opening Premiere Pro for the first time to exporting a polished, cinematic edit. The link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. What you'll learn. This specialization is built around 3 tightly focused courses taught by Jordi van de Put. Cinecom. You start by setting up projects the right way, scratch disks, sequence presets, frame rates, and building muscle memory on the timeline, trimming, ripple roll edits, JL cuts, speed changes, and basic multicam workflows. From there, you add polish, titles with essential graphics, lower thirds, motion keyframes, masks, and transitions that enhance story rather than distract. You'll then refine audio using the essential sound panel, dialogue leveling, noise reduction, compression, add sound effects and music with safe loudness targets, and wrap with color correction and grading in Lumetri, plus platform-specific exports. Course-by-course breakdown. Module 1, Editing Foundations, Project Setup, Media Management, Proxies for Heavy Footage, Timeline Edits, and Keyboard-Driven Speed. You'll learn non-destructive workflow habits that prevent broken links and missing media headaches. Module 2, Transitions and Graphics, Build clean, on-brand titles, animate elements with keyframes and easing, use masks for reveals, and design transitions that hide cuts and guide the eye. You'll practice sequence nesting and adjustment layers to stay organized. Module 3, Audio, Color, and Delivery, Clean dialogue with EQ and noise reduction, mix music under VO with auto-ducking, sweeten with subtle reverb, then color balance and stylize with Lumetri scopes. Remember that if you are interested in the course, you have the link with the best price in the description. Tools and techniques you'll actually use. You'll get comfortable with essential graphics, essential sound, Lumetri color, adjustment layers, nested sequences, and media encoder. The program leans on real shortcuts, Q, W, ripple delete, add edit, slip slide, and concrete fixes for common issues, mixed frame rates, shaky shots, peaking audio, or washed-out footage from log profiles, applied projects and portfolio. Across the 3 courses, you'll cut a short video from raw footage to final master, assemble a narrative, design titles and transitions, clean and mix audio, grade for a consistent look, and export to multiple platforms. By the end, you'll have a finished piece, plus a reusable project template, bins, color labels, adjustment layers, export presets, that speeds up every future job. Who this is for and what you need. Perfect for creators, small businesses, and aspiring editors who want professional results with beginner-friendly guidance. You will need access to Adobe Premiere Pro, paid, a machine that can handle HD editing, and ideally, headphones or monitors good enough to judge dialogue and noise. Raw practice footage is provided so you can follow along. What I liked: clear, production-tested workflow, practical shortcuts, real solutions for audio and color problems, and a final deliverable you can showcase. The emphasis on organization and export standards is exactly what beginners usually miss. You can obtain this course without a one-time payment, simply by purchasing a Coursera Plus subscription, which offers access to this specialization and more than 7,000 other courses for a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.